Hi, today I'm showing you a swap that I'm mailing out tomorrow. This swap is hosted by Patty, and she's Mommy and Me Crafts, and it's a craft caddy, and we had to use a tutorial by Kristianne's Crafty Adventures. So I will link Patty and Kristianne below. It's a really great tutorial, so fun and easy to make. So I did put some stitching on my handles and then around the top of my tote bag. Well, I guess, I don't know if you call it a tote bag or a craft caddy. I guess it's more appropriate to call it a tote bag, but anyway, it doesn't really matter, does it? So it has a pocket on each side and then a pocket in the front. And I wanted to do something different. So to be different, I thought it would be fun to add a zipper onto the pocket. Plus, I wanted to do something that would challenge me a little, and that did challenge me a little. I remember when I was in 7th grade and we learned how to sew, and zippers always scared me because I felt like they were so hard to put in. But I think they're a lot easier in putting them in paper than I do fabric for some reason. But anyway, so here's my pocket. As you can see, my front pocket. I added a bird sticker and a little flower and then a tassel, and I just got these in the mail from AliExpress, these little bird charms, so it's perfect timing. I thought that'd be cute to add that little bird on there. And then I glued on some pom-pom trim from Dollar Tree, and then I cut these peeps from craft foam, and I doubled them and glued 2 pieces together to make them more sturdy. And this is a die I have, and isn't it so cute? I love the sunglasses. Look how adorable that is. The only thing I'm wishing, though, is that I would not have put the trim here, because it makes the bunny kind of lean forward instead of laying flat. But I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I did notice that. And I don't want to cut this pom-pom, these 2 pom-poms off, because that'll look dumb when the bunny's not in there. But anyway, just food for thought. So I did put some shred. I got this shred from Hobby Lobby, and I put some shred in the bottom. So we are going to pack this as I show you what I made for this swap. So the first thing I want to put in my tote is my little embellishment box that I made. This is another bunny that, well, I'll show you the other. It's a set, so I'll show you the one that goes with this in a minute. But this is a bunny set that I bought on Etsy. Excuse me. And I glued on the glasses, and I die cut this little bow out of glitter foam. And then the strap that goes around the belly band is actually a strap that's like what's on here, so it is also sewed. And then to make it easy to get on and off, I added Velcro. So we'll take that off so I can show you what's in here. So I've got button beads and some erasers, so the recipient can turn these into charms if she wants. Some rolled flowers, some pastel beads. And I love using buttons in my crafts, so I put some really cute, springy colored, fun colored buttons in there. And I think they match this collection so well because it's so colorful. So I'll put my band back on. Okay, so let's put that right here in the back. That's going to be cute. Okay, and then here's the other set of bunnies that goes with the bunny I just showed you. These 2 bunnies are in a teacup, and we had to send some trim. So I've got these from Dollar Tree, and I just wrapped them around. And then these cute pins, I also got these at Hobby Lobby. And I'll probably put this in a plastic bag, but for video purposes, you know, a clear bag. For video purposes, I'm just going to load this up. Well, you know what? Let's do this. Let's just put this in a bag while I'm doing my video. that way we can see exactly what my tote will look like once everything's all done. And that bag's a little too small, but I'm not going to do it up. I'm just going to set it in there just for some protection. Okay, isn't that so cute with that bunny peeking out with her sunglasses? Oh my gosh, I love her. I'll probably, you know what, I'm going to change this. I have a bigger bag here. Let's do the bigger one, because I would like to be able to seal it. And you know what, for fun, we had to make a sequin mix. So I've got my sequin mix, and for fun, I have sequin mix left over. So let's put a little bit of sequin mix in my bag here. That's always fun and cute. Oh, see? Isn't that cute? And now we can do this one up because it's tall enough. And I'm not doing a bag topper on most of my things. Well, I don't think I even did a bag topper. I just didn't think it was necessary, especially because look how cute the little ears poke up. Isn't that darling? Okay, and then we had to do, let's see, we had our choice between a pokey tool or a pen, and maybe even a dangle, I'm not sure. But anyway, I decided to make this pen. I just got these beads from Amazon. And if I can figure out how to start my affiliate link, I will put the link to these in my description. And then I've just put seam binding and a little bunny button. And this is a pom-pom clip that I got from Hobby Lobby. On clearance, and so I thought that'd be cute. That way the recipient can use this on something. So, and I got these cases from Amazon also, so I will try and link those below also. They are so great to hold your pens that you make, and they might even hold a pokey tool. Yeah, they would also hold a pokey tool. So those are going to be a great thing to have. Okay, so I'm going to put the pen in there. I have lots of bunny things. Okay, see, there's the pen. And I have just a package of Reese's peanut butter eggs that we were not required to put candy, but I just thought it would be fun to put that in there. And we had to do a Memdex. So this is the Memdex I did. And these flowers are from Scrapdiva. And I used this paper from Cricut that's all different colors, and it's kind of holographic and shiny. And then this is a little bunny die I had, and then I had a carrot die, and I just think this turned out so cute. I put some fringe here to represent grass, and then I have my information on the back, so whoever gets my swap will know who it's from. But I think that Memdex turned out really cute. I've only made it probably about, I want to say 5 Memdexes, because I've not been swapping very long. So I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. And I will link the Scrapdiva Delight die below with my link and my code, so that if you want to purchase this flower die, you can save 10%. It's one of my favorite flower dies. I think it's fun. And you'll notice right here, these are the little vase fillers. I just glued some gold ones right there in the middle. And then on these, I put little butterflies in the middle. That's a little die I have too. So we'll seal this up and put that in there. Okay. Then one of our requirements was to decorate a pair of sunnies. And the sunglasses we could either make out of paper or purchase, and so I got these from the Dollar Tree. I love them because they're bunnies. See the ears? So I just added Bunny Love and then some cabochons and this cute bow from Sparkling Ghoul. She makes the best bows, and I just think that turned out so cute. So I'm going to put that in this pocket, and it'll kind of poke up, but that's okay. So can you see that okay? And then we had to do a sequin mix, as I mentioned. So here's my sequin mix. I put it in this lip gloss holder. I got these from AliExpress, and the hole is a good size so that your sequin mix goes in pretty easy and comes out easy. And so I put that in there, and then I just put a little hole with my crocodile, and then I added this cute cherries shaped like a heart charm. So I thought that would be cute in the side pocket. And then I wanted to do a shovel for the sequin mix. So this is a little pink shovel, and then this is a bunny eraser that I got at Dollar Tree, and then I just put a little screw, a twisty screw thing in there, and some plastic chain, and I just think that turned out so cute. So I'm going to put that here with the sequin mix, and see, the little bunny can hang over the edge. Isn't that cute? And then we had to do a card. So here's my card. I just, it doesn't open. I just did a flat piece that the recipient can use it and write on the back. So again, this is that Cricut paper. And I have a butterfly, more of the flowers, another one of the peeps. This is a ladybug cabochon I had that I glued on, and I think it turned out super cute. And then I have a pink envelope. So let's go ahead and put that in a bag. And I hope it will fit in here. It should. Yeah. Oh, it's just the right size. Just barely. Okay, and it does not seal because it's a little big. So I'm just going to grab a piece of tape so I can tape that shut. I'm not going to take the sticky part off, you know, so that it doesn't mess up the envelope. I'll just tape that shut, and we'll just put that in. Okay. And I don't know, I might rearrange this because I think it's fun if you can see some of the bunnies poking up with their ears. And then I'm going to have to wrap this whole thing in a clear bag too. Okay, and then here's my dangle. And this is a new die from Scrapdiva that holds your dangles. I just love it, and I doubled it so that it would be real thick. Again, this is that beautiful Cricut paper that it just is, it's the neatest stuff because it kind of changes colors as you move it around. But this is my dangle. I think it turned out super cute. I've got some Heishi beads, and some of my beads are wire wrapped, and then I've got little tiny seed beads. And this is a cute bunny eraser that, again, I put the screw hook in so that I could turn it into a charm. And I hope the recipient likes that. And let's see. I think we can put it in there. I wish I had the right kind of bag for this, you know, the ones that are real skinny. I have pretzel bags, but I'm afraid it might be not. I think the pretzel bags might not be wide enough. Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure they aren't. So I'm just going to fold this over and then fold this down. And then I'm going to tape that shut. And this is another bow from Sparkling Ghoul. So if you want some cute bows, message her on Instagram. That turned out really cute. So let's put that back here because I want my bunnies to show still. Oh my gosh, that is just, look at that. That is looking so cute. And then just for fun, I found these bunny lip glosses at, or lip balm at TJ Maxx. This one is strawberry. So I thought that'd be really cute just to put in here. Let's see if I can put it in the pocket on the side. I wanted it to be poking out. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep my sunnies hanging on the side here, or if I'm going to end up putting them inside here. I think I'll just put, I don't know. I can't really decide at the moment. Let's try it in the back. Okay, yeah, that looks cute. And that way you can just see the bunny. And then we had to do a pennant. So here's my pennant, another Scrapdiva die. This is one of my favorite dies. I use it a lot. And then I put some bunny ears and glasses, some pom-poms. Here's those flowers again with a little tiny bow and some trim. And this is going to look so cute poking out of my bag once I get it in there. Let's see, my candy bag's kind of in the way there. Isn't that adorable poking out there? Oh my gosh, that is cute. And then I also have these picks. I think I got these at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to put one in each side pocket. They just add so much cute little flair. See how cute those are? And then these are some little pinwheels that I found, I don't know, either at Dollar Tree or one of the stores here local by us. So I'm just going to put that cute little pinwheel down here in the front so that it's kind of poking up. Isn't that cute? And then, you know, I always like to give something to the hostess, which in this case, as I mentioned, is Patty. Patty didn't want us to make this whole thing for her because it gets so hard to store everything. So we could choose what we wanted to send her out of what we made. So I'm giving her a package of candy. And then I made her, let's see, gosh, I don't want to take this off because it's on here so good. But I made her an embellishment box, and it's just full of cute little things. And I used a measuring tape, and I cut it and hot glued it on. So that's the belly band. And then I also made her a bunny pin. And then here's the seam binding. I glued on the bunny. I glued on a heart and Patty's name. Here's another one of those cute dangles that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is a little flower paper clip. And then this was a hair tie. And I don't remember where I got these, but I just cut off the elastic part and then glued it on a paper clip and tied it all together. And I just think it's a cute presentation. I hope you can see it okay. Isn't that so cute? And inside I've got these little bottles, little cork lid bottles. And then these little stickers come from Hobby Lobby. So I've got love, laugh, dream, inspire, and create. And so each bottle is full of something different. And then I just put the little stickers on. And then to hold the bottle in place so that it doesn't turn around, so that because I want the writing to show, you know, when she opens it, then I put pom-poms in there to make the bottle tight during shipping. And then this is just a bunch of charms and cabochons that I put in there. So I think it turned out absolutely adorable. If you were getting this, would you just love it? Because I hope that Patty just loves it. And then her candy. And then I'm going to bag this in a clear bag. And I'm going to add this darling little chick stuffed animal. I think he's so cute. So this will be for Patty. And then this cutie, patootie, will be for whoever Patty sends this to. And then in return, I will receive one in the mail. So I hope you like my tote. And I hope you got some crafty, inspirational ideas. And thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And I hope you're having a great day. And I hope you'll come back again. Bye for now.